Hi, this is Akin and watching Realtek. In this video, will show you how to update audio driver in Windows 11 if it is not working. So let's start. So right click on a start menu, open device manager from here. Once open, expand audio input and output, and now right click on speaker. Now click on update. Here we have two options. If you have a driver on your machine, you can select second option or else select first option. It will search the driver on internet and install it. So it is showing it is already installed. So we will select this option, search one, and now it is showing few updates are pending in my laptop. So we can update it from here, or if it is not showing, you can check for new update. If it is available, please download it. Maybe it will take some time, so wait, and once it is downloaded and installed, restart your machine and it will fix the issue. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.